Today, I'm going to show you a surprising way to find more time and money to paint. This is a little known fact about me. Before I was an artist, I studied as an economist and I actually did my master's thesis on cost-benefit analysis. As human beings, we're always conducting cost-benefit analyses without even realizing it. For example, if you choose to spend $200 for a haircut rather than $15, it's because you believe that you're getting $200 worth of benefits from that haircut. And those benefits could be anything from how you feel when you look in the mirror to the relationship you have with your hairdresser. And it's that whole package that makes someone choose to spend $200 on a haircut instead of $15. A few years ago, I started thinking about the value I get from dyeing my hair. For as long as I could remember, I'd been dyeing my hair some shade of red. I was spending about $1,200 a year to get my hair colored, and because it took me almost 2 hours to go to the hairdresser and back, it was using up about 26 hours a year just to have my hair colored. So I asked myself, is there something better that I could do with this money and these hours? Well, it was very difficult for me to find time to paint. So I decided to get that time back and put it where it made more of a difference for me. As for the $1,200 I saved, that was a bonus to treat myself to a bunch of art supplies and courses. So tell me in the comments, is there something you can do differently to get more satisfaction from your time and money?